Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make sweet potato gravy. So let's begin with the video. Here I have 6 sweet potatoes. I have peeled its skin and now we need to roughly chop them. You can keep the sizes based on your preference. We are anyways going to boil the sweet potatoes, so it does not matter even if the pieces are a bit large. Once we are done chopping, I will transfer it in the pressure cooker. We'll add little bit of water, not too much. This water can be used to prepare the gravy. Adding salt and turmeric powder and also pinch of long powder. Adding little more water just to mix the spices. We'll cover it with the lid and let it pressure cook in full flame for 1 whistle. In the meanwhile, I'm preparing for the gravy. Heating up some mustard oil. Into this adding pinch of 5 spices. Adding 1 green chili. Roughly chopped onion. I am taking 1 big size onion and will allow this to cook in low flame. Once the onions are cooked, I will add the tomatoes. I have taken 3 tomatoes. Adding turmeric powder, salt, homemade jeera powder and ginger garlic paste. We'll allow everything to cook in low flame. Once all the ingredients are cooked, we'll allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, our potatoes are also boiled. And this is what it looks like. It is perfectly boiled. We'll put it in a strainer to separate the water. We will use the water later. Here I'm heating up the frying pan. Adding olive oil. You can use any oil that you prefer. Adding pinch of jeera, 2 red chilies. And we'll start frying the boiled potatoes here. I'm keeping the flame low again. Adding pinch of black pepper powder. Pinch of homemade dhania powder. Pinch of homemade jeera powder. And we'll mix everything well. In the meanwhile, I made a paste with the tomato and other ingredients. We'll add that paste. And here I have the leftover water from boiled potatoes. We'll transfer that in the mixer grinder to take out the residue mixture. Once the gravy comes to a good boil, switch off the flame. And here I'm serving dinner. I prepared quinoa that day. And here I'm serving the sweet potato gravy. I also had some homegrown mustard seeds microgreen, so I'm adding that also. We just prefer to have it raw like this, roughly chopped in most of the days. And this is what the gravy looks like. It is thick and tastes really good. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.